missile of truth, from the wisdom of age to the fire of youth. The architecture of trust is a holy sight, standing tall in the middle of the night, built by the hands of a faithful friend, on a love that will never, ever end. If a crack appears in the middle of the wall, we'll fix it together before it can fall. No storm can shake what is built with grace in this hallowed and sacred space. The architecture of trust is a holy sign. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. Ra-da-da-da-da-na. In a world that is quick to judge and to blame, we often get lost in the shadows of shame. But the brother don't look with a critical eye. He sees the truth beneath every lie. It's a conscious movement, a choice of the soul, to help a broken spirit become whole. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing the wounds of every nation. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. When you fail and you think you've lost your way, I remind you of the light in the middle of the day. I let it the chaos inside of your head and speak words of life that were left unsaid. Vulnerability is the bridge we must cross to find the gold inside of the lost. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing the wounds of every nation. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Just be natural, be intentional and kind. Leave the ego and the pride behind. In this roots rhythm, we learn to be free. In the reflection of you and me, send out a benevolent vibration. Oh, healing the wounds of every nation. Oh, friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Practice the love, master the skill. Jah provide the peace. Oh, na na. Oh, la la. Morning dust on my feet, red clay on my hands. I feel the ground breathing under the mango stands. Drum talk through the yard, slow steps in the rain. Every small thing moving, calling out my name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. See the smoke in the air, footprints by the door. Old words in the evening, ringing like before. I let the worry scatter like birds from the cave. When the night gets heavy, I breathe out your name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, they tell you be yourself and the world will be fine. But a true soul connection takes more than a line. It's an architecture built with care and with grace, creating a sanctuary, a hallowed space where your darkest of secrets don't need to be hidden. And no honest thought is ever forbidden. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Forever young. Forever young. In the light of truth, the word is a critic to point out the flaw, but friendship is governed by a higher law. Benevolence is the lens to which we must see the struggles you face to finally be free. I edit your chaos, I listen to your pain, like the sun coming out through the tropical rain. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. So share your anxiety, share every fear. The frequency of trust is all that we hear. It's not an accident, it's a choice that we make to give more to the world than we ever could take in this roots vibration. Let the ego just fall. One love, one heart, answering the call. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Master the skill. Love is the root. Master the skill. We walk this earth thinking love is just a breeze, that it falls from from the sky and puts our hearts at ease. But the roots of a brother, the roots of a friend, take our patient gardener for the branches to bend. It's not just about being who you naturally are, it's about how you listen when the soul has a scar. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Make each other whole, yeah. Make each other whole, yeah. When the world throws a stone and you stumble in the dark, a true friend won't judge the shadows in your spark. They offer a version of you that is kind, editing the mess that is tangled in your mind. Vulnerability is the key to the gate, sharing all the fears that we carry like weight. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. One soul dwelling in two bodies, practice the art, master the heart. Let's laugh the madness, the irony of life, a playful connection to cut to the strife. It's a long-term mission, a slow-growing tree. The more that I help you, the more I am free. In the rhythm of trust, in the dove of the truth, wisdom for the elders, a map for the youth. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Learn to be a friend, it's a work of art, it's a work of art. To be a friend is to witness a life, to see the victory and to see the strife, to stand in the corner and hold up the light when the path ahead is as dark as the night. I am your witness, I see who you are, a shining sun and a distant star, a conscious presence, a steady hand, walking with you through the shifting sand. Silence isn't empty, it's a space to be filled with the words of a brother whose spirit is chilled. We walk through the valley of ego and pride, but a friend is the person who walks by your side. Not just for the laughter, not just for the sun, but for the moments when you feel you're the only one. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. One heart, one vibration. Bring me your shadows, your failures and shame. I won't look for the person that you used to blame. I'll give you a version of you that is bright when your own inner vision has lost all the light. Vulnerability is the strength of the soul. It's the only medicine that can make us whole. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. One heart, one vibration. Don't be a stranger in your own house of clay. Let the light of a friend wash the sorrow away. We're editing the story, we're changing the script. From the chains of the lonely, our spirits are stripped. In this dove vibration, we finally see that loving each other is what sets us free. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. One heart, one vibration. Hear the silence, master the art of this soul. One love, one love. Whoa, ah, whoa, ah, whoa, ah. Whoa, ah, ah, ah. Whoa, ah, ah, ah. Whoa, ah, ah, ah. The world is shaking and the towers start to lean. drifting on a broken piece of wood. I'll be the land where the righteous have stood. I'll be a solid ground, your foundation and your rock, the steady rhythm that can never stop, rooted in the truth, anchored in the soul, helping the broken parts to become whole. Share your anxiety, give me your fear. The frequency of friendship is all that we hear. No shifting sand and no rising tide. With a true brother, there's nowhere to hide. I'll be a solid ground, your foundation and your rock. True strength isn't wearing a mask of steel. It's having the courage to say how you feel, to show the cracks where the light comes through, and be completely honest with the old and the new. There is power in the weakness, strength in the tear, admitting the doubt and admitting Oh, silence is a canvas, and words are the pain. I listen to the sinner, and I listen to the saint. It's not just being quiet while you speak your mind. It's searching for the treasures that you need to find. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love, a gift from the earth and a gift from above. Master the skill of the listening ear until all the shadows start to disappear. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love. When you look in the glass and you only see gray, I'll be the one to wash the shadows away. I won't see the failure or the things you regret. I see the goal that the world hasn't met. It's a deliberate vision, a benevolent eye, finding the truth beneath every lie. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh, one vibration. Oh, vulnerability is the bridge to the heart, the courage to show every broken down part. I listen to the mess, I'll edit the pain until your own spirit feels steady again. Benevolence is the frequency we choose, the only way that we never can lose. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, Just be yourself if yourself is in chains. Break through the ego and the emotional rain. Share the anxiety, the doubt and the fear. That is the moment when heaven is near. In this roots rhythm we finally find the peace and the power of a benevolent mind. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. One They say it's natural, they say it's a gift, but without the work, the hearts will drift. It's a master skill that we must acquire to keep the flame of the spirit on fire. Master the love, master the care, like a sacred breath in the morning air. It's a conscious walk, a deliberate road, sharing the weight of the heavy load. Study the silence, study the word, hear the things that are seldom heard. Practice the art of being a friend from the beginning until the end. Master the love, master the care. When the world looks at you and only sees the wrong, I'll be the one to hear your hidden song. I see the gold underneath the dirt and the dust. In a benevolent vision, we place our trust. Look through the eye of kindness, see the light within. Beyond the failure and beyond the sin, it's a conscious choice, a frequency we find to be the healer of a troubled mind. to rest. Look through the eye of kindness. See the light within. See the light, see the gold. Take off the armor. Take off the armor. Lay down the shield. There's a beautiful truth in the heart revealed, showing the cracks where the light can dance, giving our spirits a second chance. In the echo of vulnerability we find the constructed in the silence and the honesty. It's not a natural forest, it's a garden we plant with the seeds of our truth and the prayers we chant. If the walls are shaky and the foundation is thin, we open the windows and let the light in. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. When your mind is a city in the middle of a war, I'll be the peace you've been looking for. I listen to the whispers that you're scared to speak, and offer my strength when your spirit is weak. Benevolence is the blueprint, kindness is the stone. In this architecture, you are never alone. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. One vibration. Don't just be yourself if you're hiding behind the mask. Being truly honest is a holy task. Share the anxiety, the cracks and the dust. That's the only way to build the towers of trust. In this roots rhythm, the ego must fall to build a world that is open to all. I am the architect